You know what? If it's good enough for Mariah,
there you go.
That has me sold on it.
I know, right?
Before I was like, is this like taxidermy?
Yeah.
Or like,
but I think also with butterflies, a lot of people love the symbolism of butterflies. So I actually have a home line that I designed for HSN called G by Juliana Home, and I design a lot of butterflies on duvet covers, pillows.
So perfect for Valentine's Day.
Yeah, and I love it because it's like metamorphosis, rebirth. Butterflies are so beautiful.
They are gorgeous.
Yes.
All right, speaking of Valentine's Day.
Yes.
We need to pamper ourselves, right? So how about show yourself a little love here? We have our friend Nicole Pearl. How are you?
I'm great.
Yeah.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
By the way, happy birthday.
Thank
Celebrating
you.
a birthday.
Yeah, birthday and
it's a twofer.
Like, it's a twofer. Is that good or is that bad?
Well, it's good for me because when people wish me happy birthday, I can say something back. Happy Valentine's Day.
That's nice.
Bad because my high school or kids from when I was younger will never forget my birthday, but I might forget theirs.
Yeah.
So Nicole and I actually go way back. Our sons were in school together years ago.
That's so fun.
And she knows a lot about pampering. So first of all, why is it important to pamper yourself?
I think that love really first has to come from within. So you need to really find that self-love so that you realize that's your priority.
Yeah. Amen. Okay, take us through some of these products.
Okay, so first we want to set the mood, and I am obsessed with 11th House. These are gorgeous candles in one-of-a-kind vessels. This is a local brand. Dana, the founder, actually sources the vessels, and then she hand pours these candles. Beautiful fragrances. There's 5 different scents.
And
and then you could reuse the vessels for home decor.
Yeah.
And the wicks are wooden, so when they light, they kind of crackle and make this beautiful sound.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Look at
how beautiful that is.
Yeah, so one of a kind. Check out 11th House.
Okay.
11th House.
What's next?
Okay, so now we're going to talk about masking.
Yes.
BioEffect has the hydrogel imprinting mask. This is a 2-part full face mask. It's a hydrogel face mask with hyaluronic acid. You leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and it really makes your skin super plump and hydrated.
Yes.
So fun for that self-care moment. I did it last night to get ready for today, so I love that mask.
I was just going to say, you look beautiful.
Thank you. Now, if you want for the under eyes, I love the Pixie Beauty under eye patches. These are, again, the hydrogel patches. I like to wear them even when I'm on my computer. They have caffeine, great for depuffing.
Nice.
And you just leave them on, and they feel so cooling and refreshing.
And these are patches in here?
Yeah, 2 eye patches. Open up this one. I got it all ready for you to play around with.
Thank you. Instead of opening the closed one.
Right. This was the display, and that's
Thank you, Juliana. That's why we have you here, so that you can actually show the product.
I would have grabbed that one first.
I'm grabbing this one. It's not even opening.
But it's nice that they have caffeine in them.
Yeah,
so
for depuffing.
Nice
now I'm going to talk about this one from BioElements. This is their Radiance Rescue Mask. I love it because you'll see it's pink hued on trend for Valentine's Day. But you can put this all over your face, even your neck. Good for under your eyes. Leave it on. You could either rub it all in, or you can rinse it off. Whatever you're more comfortable with.
What about this? We got
this is
really nice.
This is Rothia Resilience Cream. This is a beautiful skincare moisturizer, skincare for the soul. This is all about pampering the loved ones who are caring for everyone else.
Okay.
So try Rothia. And then Nera is a beautiful new brand for your body.
Yeah.
It's about bringing that bathhouse ritual at home. And so this is an exfoliating foam. You leave it on for a few seconds or a couple minutes. And then you scrub up and down. Amazing.
Yeah,
I like that.
And yes, you got it. And then you're nice and soft. So you could do the DIY body scrub at home. And then we're going to finish with this Creole Essences SOS Scalp Serum. Now, this uses Haitian black castor oil, and it helps to give you fuller looking hair, do that nice little scalp
I need that.
Okay, I'll take one.
Yeah,
I'm worrying about a million
all those
clip-ins,
thinning hair types, you will love the SOS Serum. All for you.
I like it. Save our scalp. It's very direct.
Thank you so much, Nicole, and happy birthday.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Stay with us as we have the best Valentine's Day ever up next, a date that won't ever let you down.